I am Angela Harney, and did you know you can already Snowflake? I have experience with SQL Server since its first edition, and I am a Snowflake certified data engineer. In the analytics database we created in our first video, you can see the list of objects we created in both SQL Management Studio and in Snowflake's Classic console. We created the core metrics table with a customer ID and customer name column. And I just created a second table called metric usage. With a metric ID, a customer ID, a usage date, a usage type, I inserted a couple of rows, and I selected data from that table. Over in Snowflake, I created the same table with the same data and selected the same results. Let's take a look at doing a join. Here we select the customer name, the usage date, and the usage type from the core metrics table and the metric usage table with an inner join between those two on the customer ID field that they both have in common, and doing an order by on usage type. We'll execute that query in SQL, execute that over in Snowflake. It is a query I will be running often, so I would like to create a view with the same syntax. I will do that in SQL, and then run that in Snowflake. I will select from the view doing an order by, using the same syntax in both systems. Snowflake is SQL-easy. You can do it too.